Hey everyone, welcome to the TenorShare PDNob channel. How many times have you needed to quickly turn a paper receipt, a whiteboard note, or an important document into a clean, shareable PDF file? You could take a regular photo, but it often looks messy, has bad lighting, and doesn't feel professional. What you need is a mobile scanner app, and one of the most popular and reliable ones is Camscanner. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a perfect PDF file using Camscanner on your iPhone or Android step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Camscanner app on your phone. When you launch it, you'll see the main camera interface. To start a new scan, tap the big plus or the scan button, usually in the center at the bottom of the screen. Now, position your phone's camera over the document you want to scan. Try to get the whole page within the viewfinder. Camscanner will automatically detect the edges of your document and highlight them with a green or yellow border. If it doesn't detect it perfectly, you can manually adjust the corners. Once you're happy with the framing, immediately after taking the picture, Camscanner will show you a preview screen. This is where the magic happens. The app has already applied its auto enhancement to correct perspective, improve contrast, and make the text look crisp, almost like it was digitally created. But you have more control. At the bottom, you'll see filter options like color, gray, black and white, or enhance. For text documents, black and white often gives the cleanest, most PDF-like result. For photos or colored documents, color or enhance might be better. Tap through them to see which looks best for your document. When you're satisfied with how it looks, tap Next or the check mark. You'll be taken to a screen where you can manage this scan. If you have a multi-page document, you can tap Add Page here to scan more pages and combine them into a single file. You can also edit the PDF, share it as PDF or image, convert to Word, or even annotate or markup. Finally, to save your PDF, look for the Save or Export button. Tap it. You can usually rename the file here to something recognizable. Once you confirm, Camscanner will process and save the PDF directly to your phone's storage, typically in the Camscanner folder or your device's downloads. From here, you can easily share it via email, messaging apps, or upload it to cloud storage. And that's it. In less than a minute, you've turned a physical piece of paper into a professional digital PDF using just your phone. Now, you might be wondering, what if I need to do more with my PDF after scanning it? Maybe you need to edit some text, combine it with other files, or apply advanced OCR to make it searchable. While Camscanner is fantastic for creating PDFs, for that kind of advanced desktop editing and processing, you might want a more powerful tool on your computer, like TenorShare PDNob. It's great for taking the PDFs you create on mobile and doing deeper edits, conversions, or OCR, but for the core task of scanning and creating a clean PDF quickly from anywhere, Camscanner on your mobile is the perfect tool. If this simple guide helped you digitize your documents faster, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical mobile tips. Do you use a different scanning app? Share your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching.